Hello my YouTube family, it's your host Freestyle Blader. Today I'm going to show you Beyblade QR codes. So before get starting, do subscribe the channel and click on that bell notification icon. So let's start with first our Achilles generation, in which here comes Zedel Achilles. His 4 skins like this: Jet Achilles A4, and then there comes Turbo Achilles, and then Turbo Achilles A4, Recolor Edition Dimension S, and then Union Achilles A5, which is also a really good Beyblade. So this is our Sword Achilles A5, whose attack ring looks like Valkyrie. And then there comes our Choji Achilles, which is really amazing. Choji Achilles black version, man, you gotta scan this one. So let's move on to our Excalius generation, in which first comes Excalius, and then Excalius Force Extreme Gold Edition, Excalius X2 Magnum Impact Red, which is a stock combo, and then Excalius X2 Magnum Impact, and then Excalius X2, which is a white version. There comes the Magnum Impact Excalius X2 Ruby edition, and then Silver edition, which looks really dope. And then there comes Excalius X3 One Iron Red version, and then there comes light blue. Picture shows little off, but yeah. So next comes our Ruby edition Excalius. Do subscribe the channel, guys, please. So Excalius X4 One Sword Red edition. Here is a bonus for you: Sword Launcher Red, which is the most powerful launcher in Beyblade Burst app. Let's go on to further our Fafnir generation. Fafnir F3 8 Nothing Gold edition. Then Fafnir F3 Digital Control Kit version. That one is really cool. And then 8 Nothing White, which means its tip is of white color. And then there comes this blue version, which looks really awesome. Do subscribe the channel, guys, it will be very thankful, or it will also support our community or Freestyle Bladers community on YouTube, on Instagram, wherever you like. Let's move on to our next one. Here comes Fafnir F4. I love this Beyblade. So this one is the black version, Fafnir F4 8 Absorb. And then there comes Wizard Fafnir F5, Zone Fafnir, Gravity Revolver H blue version, which looks like Bahamut? No, Dragon, I think. So there comes Mirage Fafnir F6, and then this is the last of Fafnirs. Let's begin to Kirby's generation. So this is a Kirby's Central Defense yellow color. Then comes Kirby's Wing Fusion green version, looks really cool. Kirby's K2 Limited Press green version. And then there comes Kirby's K2 Limited Press blue version, so really cool. And then there comes this orange version. I like its transparent glassy look. And then there comes the silver version of Kirby's K2. And then there comes the Silver Edge, which also comes with that glossy layer. And then this Ripfire version, guys, Kirby's K2 Ripfire version. These are just so forgotten base, but really good in their own way. So let's move on further. There comes Inferno Kirby's K4, then Hazard Kirby's K4 green version. Just look at that devil. Then comes the Shield Kirby's K5 Infinity Linear H green. And then there comes this Master Kirby's K5 Vanguard Extender H yellow edition. Then there comes our Divolos QR code. So first comes Erase Divolos T5 white version Vanguard Bullet. And then there comes our Master Divolos, one of the most popular base, Generate 2 red. Then there comes Monster Divolos T5 Vertical Octave H green. then Eclipse Evo Divolos T5 8 Rise H Red Edition. Then there comes our Demise Divolos D6 1D Mojo SP Black. Then everyone's favorite Abyss Divolos D6. Let's move on to our next generation, which is Roctavo Central SL. Then there comes our Roctavo R2 Gravity Revolve Orange Edition, the Roctavo R2 Gravity Revolve Yellow Edition. Do subscribe the channel, guys. Roctavo R2 Gravity Revolve Silver Edition, Roctavo R2 Gravity Revolve Blue Edition. Then there comes this Black Edition, looks to me like a metallic finish. Then this comes a Ripfire Pack Roctavo R2. Then there comes our Roctavo R3 Orange version. Then this comes our golden version Roctavo R3, Roctavo R3 Purple version, which is also really cool. And then this comes our blue version. And then this comes our Roctavo R4, guys, 11 wedge white, 11 wedge silver. And then there comes Roctavo R5 Heavy Charge 2H, looks really dope. Then there comes our Glide Roctavo R6 Wheel Revolve SPM, and then Braved Roctavo R. And then there comes our bonus QR codes, which are for you guys. Demise Divolos D6, World Spriggan S6, very famous, Evo Lucius Endbringer, and then Evo Hyperion Flamebringer, then Evo Helios Blazebringer. So that's it for video, guys. Hope you like it. If you like it, then do like the video and also subscribe this channel. So Freestyle Blader over and out.